welcome again for another episode of Is This Legal?
Is this legal?
That's exactly what we're here for.
We say things twice around here.
Twice is nice.
Yes.
So this is where we give you a hypothetical legal situation and you guys become the judge and jury.
Wait a minute. Are you saying we're not the judges here and they're the judges?
I mean, well,
or shouldn't they be wearing this stuff?
We are going to tell them whether they're right or wrong.
We're like training the judges.
Right.
Okay.
We're like
so look, you
we're
guys
like above judges.
Get your wig and get your robe on so that you can play along. I mean, this isn't amateur hour here.
Don't get your gavel though, because we don't have gavels.
Yet.
So
Yet.
don't one up us.
Wait,
right?
just wait. I'm having a custom gavel constructed.
Just says McCallin, the hammer. Awesome. All right.
We're not judges. We just pretend to be in real life.
Right. So here we go. You guys pay attention and see what you make of this.
Yeah, what do we got?
A local saloon in Northamptonshire suffers a fair amount of property damage after someone throws a Molotov cocktail into the bar. Yee.
Wow.
Officer Cornelius investigates the incident. He interviews a local named Jumpin' Jehoshaphat.
No, I think we know Jumpin'.
I think we do. And Jumpin' claims that he saw Jebediah milling around the area right before the arson occurred. Mm-hmm. Now, Cornelius knows Jebediah has a history of illegally distilling moonshine.
Oh, I think he knows all about Jebediah.
Right. And Cornelius thinks that maybe, just maybe, Jebediah was trying to put his competition out of the business.
Yeah,
Ice
that's right.
the competition.
People can't go to the bar. They got to drink moonshine, right?
Got to drink the moonshine in their own shacks.
Yeah, that's right. This works out well for
in
Jeb.
the privacy of their own shack.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Cornelius goes out, he arrests Jebediah, he charges him with arson. Jebediah pleads not guilty and sets the case for trial, claiming Cornelius got the wrong guy.
Ooh, all right.
At his trial, Myrtle, Jebediah's defense attorney, vigorously cross-examines Jumpin' Jehoshaphat in an effort to attack his credibility.
Okay.
Like any good defense attorney would do.
Yeah, absolutely. Myrtle's great.
Which of these questions would not be a proper cross-examination question for this witness?
Is this kind of like multiple choice?
This is ABC.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Which is not appropriate. So, but it could be more than one.
Could be more than one.
Could be all three.
Could be all three.
Okay. Could be none of the three.
This is multiple choice, but you have three choices.
I'm just making sure that we know the instructions before we take the test. I think that that's good preparation. If you've ever taken an SAT before, you'll remember that.
Although by the question itself, which of these would not be proper? So, I mean, you can pick two or three of them if you want, but I feel like from the question, it's only one.
Boy, it's almost like we're a couple of lawyers parsing this out. I mean, boy, we've really gotten into this. Okay, without further ado, how about question number one? So this is Myrtle asking witness Jebediah on the stand, and the question is, which of these is objectionable or inappropriate?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, first one. Isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, that you have a prior felony conviction for theft?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Can she ask that? Think about
Keep
it.
that in
Don't
your craw
answer
there.
yet.
Yep.
Don't answer yet. There's two more. B. Isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, that you were once accused but not charged with shoplifting from the Northamptonshire Trading Post?
Okay, interesting.
Okay.
All right. Don't answer yet.
Yeah, one more.
Wait.
Hold your horses.
Hold on.
C. Isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, that you were on probation for a misdemeanor domestic violence case from the Northamptonshire court when you claim to have witnessed this incident?
I don't know. Seems kind of shady, huh?
Seems shady. Seems
okay,
like,
so those
make me not trust him as much.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so the question again: which of those questions, if any, are inappropriate to be asked? Can they be objected to as being irrelevant or inappropriate or whatever?
Yeah, which one would the judge say you can't ask that question?
Yeah.
All right, so lock in your answers. Answers locked in.
Let's do option A, Russ. Isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, that you have a prior felony conviction for theft? Is that proper?
That, ladies and gentlemen, is completely proper.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ding, 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 proper, because anytime you have a prior felony conviction, that can be brought up when you testify.
Any felony.
Any felony, doesn't matter what it's for, it goes to your credibility. And you can't say that somehow because you have a theft that the theft itself makes you less credible, but the fact that you have a felony conviction can be brought up as to your credibility.
Some states do go further, and they'll say that if the person was involved in a crime of dishonesty, in other words, it doesn't have to be a felony or a non-felony, if it's any crime involving dishonesty, which theft could be. So in Colorado, just a conviction for theft, whether felony or misdemeanor, that's also going to be a problem for Jumpin' Jehoshaphat.
Right.
He'll be asked about that.
Right.
That's
Other
fine.
things would be, fraud, false information to a police officer, anything like that. So, B, isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, you were once accused but not charged of shoplifting from the Northamptonshire Trading Post? Key point here is but not charged, okay?
Right. Accused by who? That's irrelevant.
Right. And now, if you were convicted, shoplifting could be one of those crimes of dishonesty.
Right.
But because he was not charged, he was not convicted, is really the key point.
Yep.
Not relevant, can't ask about that.
Yeah, Myrtle can't ask that.
That is not a proper question.
And finally, the last one, Russ. What's the last question again? Isn't it true, Mr. Jehoshaphat, that you were on probation for a misdemeanor domestic violence case when you claim to have witnessed the incident? Is that proper, Russ?
So that is not proper because two things. First, it's not a felony.
That's right.
Right? So it doesn't automatically come in. And two, it is not a crime of moral turpitude. So even though domestic violence is, by anyone's standards, a terrible crime, a big problem, it doesn't impugn your credibility or reliability.
At least in the eyes of the federal rules of evidence. So that's correct. So A is the only question there that would be allowed to be asked, in our opinion.
Yep, that's it.
So how'd you do? Did you get that one right? Did you get that one wrong?
I feel like you did. You got it right. I mean, multiple choices. We're going to have to do less of them. It's too easy.
Yeah,
the people know.
I will say, though, this, if you got it wrong, leave a comment letting us know that you got it wrong, because then we'll know that there really are honest people in the world. Okay, we know all the people who, got it right are going to be, wave they're going to be doing their celebrations and happy dances, but boasting on their comments. So we want to hear from the humble folks out there, okay? All right, that's going to do it, I think, for this episode of Is This Legal? We will be back next time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any new episodes.
Give us a thumbs up, too.
Yeah, we'll take it. Thanks,
guys.
Bye-bye.